Hey, what's up guys? It's Connor here from Zen Gear, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Oontz Angle 3. Oontz. It's kind of fun to say. I don't know if that's how they mean it to be pronounced, but it sticks with you. And this is actually one of the best-selling, if not the best-selling portable wireless Bluetooth player on Amazon. It's relatively cheap. I think it's under $30. That price is gonna fluctuate depending on what time you see this video. But yeah, we'll unbox it and take a look at it. And I'm really stoked. You can probably tell I'm extra happy because I got this background and it looks so much better than the brick wall I've had to see in my previous videos. I was like looking at it when I would finish a video and I was like, ugh. But yeah, it did cost me some blood. I did cut my head on it installing it. Maybe you can still see it there, which reminds me I gotta put some more Vaseline on that. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. We'll take a look at this and oh yeah, how am I gonna use this? So most people are probably gonna use this for music. I'm actually gonna grab an Audible subscription and listen to like Harry Potter in Spanish. I've been trying to learn Spanish and it's going okay, but you know, things picked up with work and I'm not devoting the time I need. I don't think that I'll magically, passively understand Spanish just by having one of these, but it is going to be nice to be able to listen and at least feel like it's going to be a book I've read in English and maybe it'll help me, you know, it's better than nothing, right? All right, let's take a look at this and I'll get to unboxing it right now. All right guys, here we are with the Oontz Angle 3 and let's pay attention. They don't say, it says the, what's it say? The portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. It doesn't say a, it says the. So this is the one, you know? And if you want to check them out, they got the Oontz.com. I realize all that text is backwards, but you know. All right, here's the moment of truth. We got some paper. Okay, all right. I managed to open that without breaking the plastic seal, and I always love that. It's like a little mini victory. Here is the USB charging cable, nicely wrapped. Yep, they really put some love into that. And what do we got here? Cardboard insert. If you want, maybe you have some insects outside and you want to give them some treats, leftovers from your dinner. You now have a table. So that was an unintended accessory. Let's take a look at this. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a baby. It's like a baby speaker. All right. Yeah, so this is definitely going to work for me. I just hope I don't forget it. They actually have a lot of colors, too. I think they have like 6 or 7 colors. I saw like red. There's one of these that has Coca-Cola on it. There's like orange and blue. And the only difference between them with the colors is the screen. So wow, this is pretty sleek. I like it. It's like a little, it's so cute. Okay, so first things first, I noticed that it feels really nice. The sides are rubber. Oh yeah, so let me tell you some of, I think I mentioned it in the intro, but this has 14 hours of battery life. And it's also water resistant. And that's the main reason I got this, because comparable speakers like that can be like up to 3 times the price. And I'm not sure how long this will last for me, because I tend to beat things up. So I wanted something kind of sturdy with a solid build quality. And this feels like I could hit it with a bat. I probably shouldn't, but I probably could. Anyways, yeah, it feels surprisingly solid. Yeah, I feel like a Rubik's Cube with this though. Kind of want to twist it. All right, so they got the power button here at the back. It's got the clicky going on. Oh, it's charged, or has a little bit of charge in it. And then it has, what is this? I'm guessing I pull up this flap to charge it, and that is the truth. It looks like it has a headphone jack, so there is the USB insert with a tiny USB cord and a headphone jack, maybe a headphone jack. And that's all there is to it. It's simple. It's simple. And oh, it has the rubber bottoms on it. So it's, you know, it actually sticks pretty damn well. That's cool. The Oontz. Let's take a look at this quick start. Do they got anything else in here? They don't. Alright, we're gonna look for anything interesting. Play, pause button. Oh yeah, all the controls are on the side. I don't know if I showed that. It's probably hard to see, but that's a plus button. That's a minus, pause, and play button. And this is the microphone Bluetooth connect button. All right. It can play horizontally. It can play vertically. Well, I mean, yeah. You don't need to tell me that. Guide. It has a passive bass radiator. It has its own grill. It has dual precision stereo drivers. The rich bass does not interfere with mids and highs. Charging the battery. That is the USB cable. We went over that. Turning on and off with the power button. Yes. In case you didn't know, power buttons are used to turn things on and off. You hold it, it'll turn on. You hold it, it'll turn off. Typical Bluetooth pairing. Oh, this can pair with an Amazon Echo. And it does have the 3.5 millimeter jack, like I said, for headphones. And that's it. That's it, guys. Oh, gosh. Alright, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing video. I'll come back and give this a follow-up review, but I want to... I mean, for something like this, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. It does have a lot of positive reviews. It clearly works, and it's affordable. If it goes wrong, or like I'm disappointed, I'll like complain about it. But I'm expecting good things from the Oontz. And if you guys are looking to get one, you know, it's on Amazon. I'll link it below. Hope you guys have a good day, and you know, live it up. Live it up today. Adios.